You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Item provided by Spin Master for review. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Super excited. We got a giant box. And anytime we get a box that has that special word on it, fragile.
Fragile?
Fragile. Fragile.
Okay.
We want to make sure to show you how we got this, but we want to say thanks to
Spin Master for sending us this box.
Yeah, and we kind of have an idea what's in it. We wanted to make sure that there was nothing in there that we couldn't show at the time of the video.
Yes.
So we have looked in the box, but we have not taken anything out of the box. So there's a few things we're not too sure about. First, let's give everybody a quick look.
Whoop.
Ooh,
wow.
So it's loaded with Hatchimals items, right?
Yes.
All right, so let's do this. I will let you take an item out of the box, and I will show it and talk about it. So we'll go one by one. All right, Elise, the first item. What is that?
I have no idea.
It's a power supply. Huh. What does this have to do with Hatchimals?
I don't know.
Well, let's find out.
Yes.
All right, so you take that. Wow, that's a serious looking power supply.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna plug this in by you. Here you go. You're in.
Right.
Oop, that's good. Stop right there. Hold on. Give me a chance. And my end goes there. Then you can take that other twisty off. Okay, what is this? It looks like some kind of cool light. Oh, neato.
Whoa.
I've never seen anything like that, have you? It says Hatch Bright. This looks like this goes into here.
Okay.
And then that goes into there. Oh,
Oh, that's so cool.
how neat is that? Now this is a bonus item, so set that over in your corner so we can see it. Hatch Bright, right there,
it.
good. Pull it up just a little, it's slanting down. Okay, now, officially grab me the first Hatchimal item.
There we go.
Oh, CollEGGtibles.
Yes.
Waterfall playset. Light up slide.
Oh, cool.
Ooh, it doesn't say try me, but I just wanted to try it
Yeah.
to see if it did light up. Let's see. Slide down and make a wish as wishing star waterfall lights up.
Okay.
Cloud nests, twirly stair nests, spinning swing, light up waterfall slide, glowing starlight pool, extendable waterfall. Okay, this
cool.
must pull out here in the front. All right. Oh, there's the spinny swing there. All right, slide. All right, next item.
Next item.
Holy cow, that's a big one.
Yep.
This is the Tropical Party playset.
Ooh.
Hatch Bright. So this is something that I'm not familiar with.
Yeah,
There is a
neither.
Try Me here. See how this one says Try Me?
Yeah.
And that one doesn't say Try Me. Oh. Try Me. Ooh, it's lighting up all the way around. Interactive lights and sounds.
Cool.
Let's see, 2 exclusive Hatchimals in this set. That had 1 exclusive Hatchimal. Welcome to Illuma Island. The more you play, the more they party. Twirling starlight clouds, glowing musical stage, spinning light up dance floor, spinning. Glittery palm swing, decorate your island. Lots to do in our playset. There's also a craft a snack shack. It almost looks like it's out of cardboard, so maybe it's something you get to cut up with the box. I'm not sure. All right, next item.
Right. A smaller one.
Okay, the Hatchimals Hatch Bright CollEGGtibles. 80 to collect. This is season 4, 4-pack. And go ahead and grab me another one. We'll let them look at that. Okay, another. Oh, I've seen these before. It looks like
so have I.
egg cartons, right?
Yep.
Let's see. So it's probably again a season 4. It's a glittery and purple. Purple. It's purple. Okay, so this is one of their 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 packs, right? Mm-hmm. And that is season 4. And there you go. All right, next item.
Last item.
Oh, it's a scroll.
Yes.
We probably should have done this first or second. Go ahead, take that in slowly. Oh, Oh, there you go. It's a nice little... No, you take that and I take that. All right, so there's been an eclipse in Hatchtopia. As the egg moon covered the sun, Hatchtopia has gone dark. But when the lights are out, that's how the Hatchimals show how they shine. You can take the rest there.
All right. Where is
With
it?
light up right there.
With light up heart tummies, fancy accessories, and starry crowns, these Hatchimals are ready to... Then we have to fill in the blank.
Hatch Bright. That's what the season 4
okay.
is called. The Hatch Brights.
Cool.
All right, so that is another additional item that you normally would not get with Hatchimals, the special items they sent to us, plus our cool Hatch Bright light. All right, so we are not going to open up any of these today. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's open up one.
All right.
We'll come back and show some of the Hatch Brights for season 4. All right, Elise, are you ready to open up this pack?
Yes, I am ready.
You know how to open these, right? You've done plenty of these.
Yeah.
How do you open them, Elise? Tell everybody in the YouTube community how to do it.
You hold down the heart until it goes pink, and then you push in it,
Yeah.
and then the egg cracks, and then you get your surprise animal.
All right. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our bonus. Oh, that is pretty cool. I kind of like it.
I love the colors.
Yeah, they're
It's
neat
like an
colors.
ombre.
Pick them up, man. Pick them up, boy. All right, so we've been through this little island thing before. All right, so we're not going to actually do this right now, but to hatch a whole world. And then it looks like here are all... Wow, is right. Okay, so go ahead. Start opening these up. I'll do one. What color's yours changing? Is it changing?
Not yet. I don't think my hand's warm enough.
Yeah, you gotta have warm hands. Here, you could take mine. There, see? It's time to change colors.
Thanks.
Give me that one.
Oh, yeah.
Hatch that one.
Oop.
Oh, I just cracked it. I'm going in. Oh, cool.
Ooh.
We did it at the same time. All right, so I have that. Go ahead. I'll be the investigator, and you can... They do look like they're part of the... hard to tell. Not the limited edition, but they're clear. Aren't they clear? You could see through them?
Yeah. Do you want me to look for them?
Yeah, you are better than me. I think we have this one here, Chameleon, which is the middle one. Yes, that is that one. And then you have a pink one. Yeah, they're so hard to tell. I have such a hard time here. Let me open them. You see if you can find them.
Okay.
You got sharper or keener eyes than I do.
Okay, let's look for this one. Okay.
They must all be clear like this.
Okay, that is in the savannah.
Oh, yeah?
And that one is
Look at that.
tea tree.
Chi-Tree?
Yep. Exactly. And this one,
Get back over here.
let's see.
Okay, inside's a little plastic cup,
one
so you can
is-
probably keep them in a little cup.
Chameleon.
I had that one right.
Yes. And she is in the jungle. And this one, it looks like Beeble.
Beeble?
And that is in the garden.
Okay.
Ooh, this looks like a crab, so let's look at ocean.
Any of them rare or super rare or anything like that?
Beeble has pink wings. Where does it say?
I'm going
Right
to zoom
here.
in.
So she is a rare.
Okay.
And then this one, that one is just a common.
Okay, you can move the sheet out. I'm just going to zoom into the
right.
characters now.
And then
Wait, is there one missing? Did you take one?
that one's a common. Yeah, it's right here. I'm still looking at it. Let's see if I can find it.
Stop falling.
I don't see it just yet.
Well, we can't take any longer. You're going to have to look now and give it to me for the
Here you go.
description. Okay, so we'll figure out the last two.
Yes.
And there you go.
Yeah.
Season 4. Hatch Brights. It makes sense to have the Hatch Bright Special Edition light with our new
Yes.
collection. And thanks for watching, and thanks again to Spin Master for sending us all these cool toys to check out on video. I'll give everybody one more close-up. Let's give them a quick little spin here so they can kind of see how detailed they are all the way around. Pretty neat.
Yep.
And we'll spin them right back. And there you go, everybody. Thanks again for watching and supporting Lucky Penny Shop. Later!
Bye!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.